Hey guys, it's your girl Nicole, and I am back with another beauty tip of the day. Okay, so I always get asked this question, Nicole, what is on your eyes? It looks so soft and pretty and refreshing. What color eyeshadow are you actually wearing? Well, girls, it's not actually eyeshadow, it is blush. And if you know me and if you've been watching my tutorials, you know that this is a technique I use all the time for my everyday makeup looks. I simply grab my eyeshadow brush, or sorry, my blush brush, get some of my blush, and close my eyes and just dab it on, just like that. Dab it on, it leaves a nice soft flush of color. It's quick, it's simple, it's minimal, and it looks great. Definitely give it a try. If you have smaller eyes, you can definitely use an eyeshadow brush to apply it. You just want to make sure you diffuse it over the eye nicely so it doesn't have like a concentrated look like eyeshadow. It's just a nice flush of color.